You came Mangalarti, no?
No, I thought come now because every time the county is supposed to go uphill.
Huh?
If I be coming now van, then this uphill very.
Difficult.
It's possible, but a long time.
Maybe your car is same. What is his name? Jai Govinda.
I drive maybe a little bit faster.
A little bit faster. His car is. What is your question? Have you any question?
I have to because in Araras I'm asking you about
Huh?
this. In Araras I'm asking you about this G. Goswami conception. He's explaining that. So I don't know. I want to hear that the G some sort of already kept in Africa, but I don't understand. You're saying it's very deep, and
This also explained in Srimad Bhagavatam. Two things are conception in this way. One is speaking about the when Narad Rishi he received the mercy of Krishna, Lord Vishnu. And that time he realized he transcendental consciousness form. And with his transcendental consciousness form, he realized. But still he is this body. And that is his within Panchabhautik Sarir. Panchabhautik Sarir. Understand? Panchabhautik Sarir means? This Panchabhautik Sarir. Because Narad Rishi, very just Lord gave darshan to once, as like a lightning. Then Narad Rishi fainted. Then Narad Rishi, when he again returned back his consciousness, then again he prayed to Lord Vishnu. Hey Vishnu, please show you very nice, beautiful form I will do. Then the real sound, transcendental sound came and told, hey Narad, again you will not take darshan my this transcendental form, what you have to do. But when you give up this body, Panchabhautik Sarir, that is written the Panchabhautik Sarir. That is called your 5 gross elements body. Then you receive your transcendental form, you achieve my transcendental world, good, Chitta. Then you can see my this power. For that day, Narad Rishi, he became very upset. Because everybody have to stay in this material world according his predicted time. You cannot give up this body. Everything that is called predicted. Predestined and predicted. We are using this word. Predestined and predicted. So Narad Rishi that time is thinking, what will do now? Vanastu Satyako Vaso. I have to stay in forest. Because live in forest, Satyik was forest. Vanastu Satyako Vaso. So Narad Rishi thinking, I will not stay in locality. And all the people, many people are staying, I will not stay there. I will stay alone in forest, Satyako Vaso. Actually, that is called, the Narad Rishi, that is called the Murchita Kasai. 3 types of Mahabhagavat. One is called Bhagavad Parsha Deha Prapta, another is called Nirdhuta Kasai, or another is called Murchita Kasai. Bhagavad Parshad Deha Prapta, that is when Narada Rishi is actual eternal associate of Krishna, Krishna Bhagavad Parikar. That is called his Bhagavad Parshad Deha Prapta. Or second, Nirdhuta Kosai is free from all kinds of attachment, as like Sukdev Goswami Pad. He is the example. Third, Murchita Kosai. Murchita Kosai means some kinds of Sattva-guna staying in his heart or mind. So this is called the Murchita Kosai. Narada is this thing. Because Narada is thinking, I am stay alone. Banastu Sakti Kavash. So now coming in this way, Narada just he told, hey Vasudev, in this way I was waiting for my predicted time. And then when my predicted time came, that time I give up my this Panchabhuti. Patito Panchabhutika Devam. They are very clearly explained. Narada he told his own life is to Vasudev. In this way, when my predicted time came, and that time I give up my Panchabhutik Sarir. Then, by the causeless mercy of Krishna, then with my transcendental body, Chit Sarir, then I achieve Vaikuntha Dham. Amen. In this context, Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad, Siddhar Goswami Maharaj, Siddhar Goswami Pad, Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad, they explain this way. Dhruva Maharaj, he did not give his Panchabhutik Sarir. We are never mentioned. Dhruva Charitra also explained. Dhruva, when he had finished his Gayatri Mantra, then Mrityu Devata came, the presiding deity of death, he came. Hey Dhruva, you have to come in the place of Mrityu Loka, the place of death, that is Jamaloka. This is the rules. And that time, Dhruva Maharaj told, okay, wait, just I am chanting my Gayatri Mantra. Yeah? Then when my Gayatri Mantra finished, then you come. Because Shastra also explained, one who chants holy names, Gayatri Mantra. Yeah? And that time, he could not, his, what is called? Ayu means age will not counted. Understand? Eh? When you chanting holy names, and that time your age not counted in the predicted time.
He was present here, this was.
Yeah, Dhruva Maharaj. Ayu harati vai pungsang uddananta asanata jadasu jatkino niyate. Yes, Srimad Bhagavad very clearly explained, sun rises and sunset, then our ayu is going down. Give an example, your age 100 years. So one day, one night, when the sun rises, sunset, that means your age reducing. Understand? Every second, every moment reducing. But which time you chanted holy names, and that time your age not reducing. Do you understand? Because Srimad Bhagavad gives evidence. When you chanting holy names, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. This minute, but this second, your age is not reducing. For this Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Ayu harati vai pungsang uddanancha asancha jatkano niyate. But when you chant holy names, listen Hari Katha, and that time he is not reducing. You chanting 1 hour holy names. That time your age not 1 hour is fixed. That not reducing. So Dhruva Maharaj he told to Mrityu Devata, presiding deity of death, okay, you can wait. Because I am now chanting Gayatri Mantra. Because Dhruva Maharaj, he got benediction from Lord Vishnu. You have to stay in this material world 36,000 years he ruled, and without any disturbance, without any obstacles. And so 36,000 years now past, almost past, make just couple seconds. Or that time Mrityu Devata came. Mrityu Devata told, hey Dhruva, you have to ready. Within couple seconds, I have to take you, your soul. I take you my place, because this is the rules. Then from that place you could go anywhere, that is the other question. That time Dhruva Maharaj told, okay. And you have to follow your rules. So wait, I am chanting Gayatri Mantra. When I chant Gayatri Mantra, that time Mrityu cannot, the presiding deity of Mrityu cannot do anything. Sitting. You are chanting Gayatri Mantra, then Mrityu cannot do anything. Then Dhruva Maharaj is very clever. Dhruva Maharaj just finished his Gayatri Mantra, then step his feet on the head of Mrityu Devata and attend to Dhruva Loka. Dhruva Loka, he direct to go. Dhruva Maharaj, he did not give up his Panchabhutik Sarir. That he attained to Dhruva Loka. Ramapriya Vaikuntha Dham. In Dhruva Loka, because Lord Vishnu also told, you will stay here until Surya Chandra, Chahasan and they stay also. Dhruva Maharaj, Dhruva Loka is easy. Not Ramapriya, no Vaikuntha. Dhruva Loka, because he told, actual Dhruva he is called Sakam Bhakta. Still he is not attained to Vaikuntha Dham. But Lord Vishnu told, after 36,000 years ruling your country, then you will come Dhruva Loka. And is it Dhruva Loka? And until the destruction, how do you call it? Destruction, this Brahmanda, then Dhruva Maharaj will be staying. That Dhruva Loka will be there. And everybody will remember to him. Then after he will go where Vaikuntha Dham, according to Bhajan Dham, Vaikuntha, where he will go. But so now he is coming according to Srimad Bhagavatam. The Dhruva Maharaj, he did not give up his Panchabhutik Sarir. But Narad Rishi, Katha Srimad Bhagavatam, Narad Rishi told himself to Vyas Narad Sangha. Then when my predicted time comes, then I gave up my Panchabhutik Sarir. That is written. Apattatta Panchabhutik Sarigam. Sariram. Srimad Bhagavatam. Apattatam. And Narad Rishi's this body, Panchabhutik Sarir, and left, when he fell down, then he got his transcendental constitutional form, Siddhadeha, then attained to Bhagavad Dham. Then, in this context, Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad, Jiva Goswami Pad, explain many things. Those who are devotees of Bhagavad Bhakta, actually their body is transcendental. Yesterday, Diksha Kale Sisya Kare Atma Samarpan Sei Deha Hoitar Chidanandamoy Apragita Dehe Shri Krishna Bhajay. Diksha Kale Sisya Kare Atma Samarpan. When disciple receive Diksha mantra from Guru, and that time his body is called Chidanandamoy. Not Chitsari, Chidanandamoy, Mattasari. Then he Chidanandamaya Sarir, he is able to do bhajan and sadhana. Because Atha Sri Krishna Namadi no bhavet grajya indri sevanmukhi jihadu swameva spurati tada. Bhagavad Nam Gun, that is called transcendental. How possible to chant transcendental name with our material tongue, or with eyes, or with our ears? So for this regard, then explain in this way, the Tadatma Vritti will come. Yesterday I do Tadatma Vritti will come. Tadatma Vritti, oneness with the potency of Lord Bhagavad Shakti, will come. Then with that Tadatma Vritti, then our body will Chidanandamaya. Not Chit Sharir coming still. It's Chidanandamaya Sharir coming. Then all his limbs and body, that is called Chidanandamaya. Still is a Panchavritik Sharir. But Chidanandamaya. Give an example, Tadatma Vritti, I gave example as like iron rod. If you put the fire and all the heat of the fire enter in the iron, then iron can burn everything. In the same way, doing bhajan and sadhana, receive diksha and mantra, and that time that devotee's disciple body is called Chidanandamaya. But here think another question is coming. Two kinds of diksha again. One is called Lokik diksha, another is called Paramarthiki diksha. Understand? Lokik diksha, that is called the, what is called? Formality. According to the rules and regulation of Shastra, formality. You have to fill up the forms. Formality. Understand these things? Fill up the forms. Formality. You have to approach in front of Guru and offering your foodstuffs, dakshin, many things also there. Then Guru will give Diksha mantra. You are receiving Diksha mantra. That is called, what is called? Anushthanik Diksha. Anushthanik Diksha. Anushthan. Paramarthik Diksha, not one day will finish. This Paramarthik Diksha also again two types. One is Vedic rules and regulations of Shastra, Vidhi Margo, or another is called Ragmariga Diksha. Do you understand? Rules and regulations of Shastra, Vedic, and following all the rules. Adu, Guru Badasra, Diksha, Siksha, Visram, Bheno, Guru, Seva. In this way, many processes going on. You receive Diksha mantra from Guru. This is true. That is called Anushthanik Diksha. Paramarthik Diksha, Vaidhi and Raganuga. Paramarthik Diksha, not one day it will be finished. Vidyodrudi Diksha. The same word, that's a transcendental word. That's using the Vaishnava word. Vidyodrudi Diksha, Narottam Diksha, many kinds of many words are using this way. Just simple, if I speak too much, they cannot, terminology cannot understand. Okay, understand this way. What did he say? Paramarthik Diksha. One is called Vaidhi Margya, or another is called Rag Margya. Vaidhi Margya, this is called all the rules are is there. Adu Shraddha, Tato, Sadhu Sangha, Bhajana Kriya, Anarthanatya, step by step. Then Paramarthik Diksha, another that is called Ragmarga Diksha. Ragmarga Diksha is this. You can receive Diksha from any bona fide Guru. But have to listen Hari Katha from another high class, exalted Rasik Vaishnava. When you listen this Katha, first times of Braj Katha, that time you would want specific mood will manifest in your heart. Actually, that is called greed will come. Understand? That is called Lobhamai Bhakti. Krishna Bhakti Rasabhavi Tamati Kriyotang Yadi Kutopi Labhati Tatrapi Laulamullang Janma Kate Sukritan Labhati. This is the thing. Greed will come. Greed will come two ways, according to past impression, sanskar. Another, the mercy of Bhakta and Bhagavan. Two ways coming. But Bhakta Kripa available, Bhagavad Kripa, very, very rare, Kathanchit. Srila Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad Madhurya Kadambini explained. Because Bhagavan, he is equal. Samaham sarvabhutesu nome deso nome priyasti. Who is my enemy and who is my friend? I am equal to. So for this regard, Bhagavad Kripa, very rare. But Bhagavad Kripa coming. Ahituki Kripa. So now coming, this greed is coming two ways. One is called, that is called your past impressions. Give an example, Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu. One girl, her name was, what is name? Chandra, or what is name? I just forget. Bhakti Rasamrita. Just see, one day, she attended one Harikatha, in the day of a Harikatha, in one sadhu, and she heard the glories of Srimati Radhika. How the Sakhis of Srimati Radhika serve to Srimati Radhika, how to love and affection. I think that is Chandra, or just I forget name. Chandra something this. Chandravati, Chandra something this. Okay. Then she absorbs herself. Yeah, you have to become Sakhis of Srimati Radhika. In this way she absorbs. Just to listen this katha, the glories of the Sakhis of Srimati Radhika. Then she day and night thinking. Then day of Ekadashi, she absorbed Srimati Radhika Sakhi. Then after her death, she attained to Golok Vrindavan and she became the maid servant of Srimati Radhika. Look how is this powerful, this greed is coming. So this greed is coming, listen Harikatha. Greed is coming. Greed not depend on anything. Greed does not depend on qualification. Not anything. Lobha lobhatpattayika karanam. Greed is the cause of the greed. Greed not depend on any other thing. So Lobhamai Bhakti, another name is called also Rag Bhakti, Raganuga Bhakti. Vaidhi Bhakti is many names. Vaidhi Bhakti's name is called Shastra Sasanamai Bhakti. Another? Bhayatpadika Bhakti. Understand? Many names. Bhayatpadika Bhakti. One who performs devotional service for the fear of hell, Narak Bhaya. And following the rule, that is called Bhayatpadika Bhakti. A Raganuga Bhakti is spontaneous. Iste sarasika raga paramashtata bhavitananda bhavidusa ragatmika kodita ragatmika unisradesa raganuga uchyate. This is the point. So now coming this way. Diksha, two types of Diksha, just I told. Finally two types of Diksha. One is called Vaidhimarika Diksha or another is called Raganuga Diksha. Raganuga actual Diksha, actually listen Harikatha, that time greed will come. Then I have to this. As like Prabodhananda Saraswati Pad, they are Nikta Mahapurush that's showing to Prabodhananda Saraswati Pad, Prakashananda Saraswati Pad, Venkat Bhatta. They receive Diksha from Sri Sampradayas. Sri Sampradayas. And they worship Lakshmi Narayan. But when they heard the glories of Radha Krishna, sweet Madhurya Katha from the lotus lips of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and that time they completely were absorbed with Radha Krishna. Prabodhananda Ji, he wrote Radharo Sudhanidhi. This thing. So in this way. So greed is very important. So greed coming from two ways, the mercy of Bhagavat Kripa or the mercy of devotee of Lord Bhakta Kripa. Or another, what did he say? Huh? Past impression, praktani sanskar. As like this, giving Chandravali and Chandravali. Now I just forget the name. Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu. So now coming in this way, Jiva's Sarup is fixed. Bhaktivinoda Thakur Jaiva Dharma explained this way, 15th chapter. Almost end of the pages. And 2-3 pages end of it. He explained when Jiva was manifested from marginal potency of Lord Bhagavat, a Tarsa Shakti, that time Jiva's the potential in there. Santa Dasa Sakha Vatsalam Madhu, that potential there. And Bhaktivinoda Thakur very clearly explained that time Jiva's, that all Sarup is there. As like our hands, legs, mouth, as like this. But this body is a material eyes. But Jiva's Sarup is inside there. Bhaktivinoda very clearly explained. So no doubts. Jiva Sarup is there. Nitya Siddha Krishna Prem Sadhu Kabu Noy Sravanadi Suddha Chitte Karaha Uday. Uday means to manifest. You have that the manifest. How manifest? Listen Hari Katha. Then Anartha Krishna Tang Sakata Krishna Punna Sravana Kirtan. Then in this way. Anartha Nivritti, then realization. So now coming in this way, there are many proof is there. Jiva's Sarup fixed and then with the listen Harikatha, association Sadhu Sangha Harikatha, that will be manifest. But what time will manifest? At the stage of Bhavadasha. Then Premadasha completely realization comes. And Asakti Dasa, this emblem of your Sarup will come. That is called Abhas. When sadhu will come in the stage of Asakti Dasa, and Adu Saddha, Tatu Sadhu, Vajan Krantra, Nishta, Ruchi, Asakti. 7 stages. And that time, his something realization will come, his Sarups, that is called Sarupa Pulabdhi. Realization about his transcendental consciousness, Sarupa Pulabdhi. Bhavadasa, more and realization will come. So that means when sadhu will come in the stage of Bhavadasa, that time his Diksha will be completed. Do you understand? Now, your Diksha is going, how is going? On the process. Do you understand? Now your Diksha, Paramarthik Diksha, is going on the process. Understand? Not complete. You are thinking, oh, I took Diksha, finished. No. On the process going on. You understand? When your Diksha will be finished, when you will come in the stage of which dasa? Bhavadasa. Kantira Partakartum Virakti Manasannata Asabandhu Samutkanta Namagane Sadaruchi Asaktitar Gunanukane Pratita Vasdistali Ittarju Surajita Bhavankuri Jane. So now coming in this way, sadhu will come in the stage of Bhavadasa. Then very quick he will be attain Premadasa. When sadhu will come Premadasa, he cannot stay in this material world. Actually Bhavdasa, after Bhavdasa, he cannot also stay because too much to tolerance this body, because that time many kinds of anubhav of prem manifest in his heart. Understand? These things. So Bhaktivinoda Thakur very clearly Jiva has this. Then now Srimad Bhagavatam, I told Narad Rishi, he told when I left my Panchabhutik Sarir, then I received. That in this context Vishwanath Chakravarti Path explained this way. Jiva Sarup is there. Also there is that the many forms are there. And many Chit Sarir are there. Understand? Many Chit Sarir. And snake Sarir, snake body, trees body, tiger body, lion body, human body, gop body, gopi's body, all bodies are there. Then when sadhu will give up this body, according to his sarupa, then that will be what is called? Joining. Understand? Now question is coming, then another was saying, that means your Chit Sharir is there. So here Chit Sharir or not? Here also Chit Sharir. Actual, so that body is inert or conscious? Jod or Chetan? What do you think? Huh? Chit Jagat, there is no word of inert. Inert only this is Jad Jagat, Jad Sabda. Transcendental, everything is transcendental. Sat Chit Ananda. Sat Chit Anandamay Jagat. So how possible inert is there? Pardon?
What is that? What is it doing?
That is called Yogamaya Kalpita. Yogamaya, she arranged these things. Actually, you are thinking this way. Actually, this is not true. Yogamaya, she arranged your same Chit Sharir, which you are now in the. That means to say, and that is also Yogamaya just arranging. You are thinking, I am joined in there. That is not also there. Very difficult to explain also these things.
One time, long time in Spain, then you're giving class, and then I asked one question, and I said, okay, I'm understanding what you're saying now. This body is there, aprakati, nikana. And one time you're giving class, and then I asked this question about in this Kirtan Prajnata saying, Vishabharupure Janamalayo Javate, and you said this is prakati. So what you say now is joining with this form is a nikana, aprakati. No, because before you said this Vishabharupure Janamalayo, this is when Vastu Siddhi coming, and then here Boma Vrindavan, then we are going, then being born like this. So next is joining with this eternal spirit.
Actually, Yogamaya she is arranging because Prakat and Aprakat. Dham, three types of dham. Dissaman Prakash, Prakat and Aprakat. Dissaman Prakash, we are going to Vrindavan, that is called the place, spot is there. Radha Kunda, Sam Kunda, and Giriraj Govardhan is there. But not Lila is not in there. We cannot see the Lila. But Lila is going on. And Dham also covered with Mayajal. We cannot see the Aprakat, transcendental Dham. Kripa kori Mayajal uthai jokhon aankhe dekhe subishal Chinmay Bhavan. So Chinmay Bhavan, how do you see? Then is Yogamaya arranged. Same Golok Vrindavan, same Dham, Yogamaya manifesting here. Because this Dham did. Prakatila, when Krishna descended from Golok Vrindavan and he brings his own Dham and manifest. And that time you are looking. So Prakat, Aprakat, both are same. But Yogamaya is arranged, the same Dham is there, also same Dham is here. So in the same way, your Chit Sharir is here. Understand? In your here. And same Chit Sharir is there. And Yogamaya arranged this way. How to, what is called? Reconcile. Join these things. How do they do? Actually, same thing. Because the transcendental thing you cannot express with your any words. Jato bacho nivartante. Jato bacho nivartante. Because in our words or mind or conception cannot attain the transcendental word. Just according to our understanding, we are speaking. Yeah, how this is there, the one form is there, and here is there, and mixed with it. Understand? Because very difficult to understand. That is called the realization. So for this, Vishwanath Chakravarti path is to explain this way. There is a Nana Murti. They are also saying this part. Nana Murti. Here Murti means is what? Murti means form. There are many meanings of Murti. Understand? Understand? Sometimes also explain. Vedanta Sutra, Vedanta Darshan or Upanishad explain. Natasya pratima usti. Natasya pratima usti. Mane? There are no, pratima means form, vigraha. There are no form of Lord. Natasya pratima asti. Eh? If you in the Upanishad, Natasya pratima asti. Eh? So why you are worshipping this vigraha? If Lord has no. Eh? Actually, there are many meanings coming. Here, pratima means not the vigraha. Eh? Pratima means Ishvara. There are many synonyms coming. Pratima. Eh? Pratima means his not material, his form is not there. Eh? Not Lord's material form. His body is called Chit Saris. Sachidananda Vigraha. Isvara Parama Krishna Sachidananda Vigraha. Brahma Samhita says he has Sachidananda Vigraha. Or here Upanishad saying Natasya Pratima Asti. Okay? Understand? Once I also wrote in Facebook, this is also conception. You read or not?
Yeah.
What did you read? Huh? It's a pratima. There are many meanings of meaning. You understand? There are many meanings of pratima. Eh? Yeah, pratima means not the material form. Vigraha, there is Sachidananda Vigraha. And he does not eat anything in daytime, but he is very fat. How? He must eat night time. They were not. So how he become fat? Krishna Jivan, tell to me. If they no, I never eat. So how you fat? Drinking? Yeah. Because I am not drinking. By Pahari, then by air or my body, then I pop. That means Devadatta. Devadatta, Diva Mahunja. Devadatta means one person name is Devadatta. Devadatta, he does not eat daytime. This is true. This is direct meaning. Devadatta, he does not eat daytime. Devadatta Mahunja Diva. This is okay. But Devadatta is very fat. So that means Devadatta, he does not eat daytime. But his fat means is what? He eats night time. In the same way, Natasya Pratima Asti. Here Pratima means image, Jod. Understand? He has not Jada. Jada means material form. He has what form? Transcendental form. Understand? Sanskrit not Tasya Pratima Asti. But here this thing about the Apani Padu Javana Grihita. He has no legs, but he walks. That means he has transcendental legs. Chit Sarir, Chit Deha. So now coming this way, by Jogma, there is many forms are saying, actual, you are this transcendental, and that's joining that. But we are to express it. Actually, this is also not true. Now your Chit Sarir with you. With you. You don't know, but with you have it. You have everything according to your rasas. And Bhaktivinoda Thakur explained those who are Santa Dasa Sakha Vasalya, their mostly body is called male body, or those who are the Madhurya Ras, their body is called female body. But those who are Vasalya Ras, and in the Vasalya Ras, those who are the mood of Mother Jasoda, want to serve to Krishna underground, also their body also female body. This is the conception. So that means everybody has one transcendental body. you have. But their body, here body is, we are saying that is called the, according to understanding, Prakat and Aprakat. Gurudev is here. Our Gurudev also in transcendental world. Here he is servicing as like a sadhak. Sadhaka rupena siddha rupena chatrayi. His two kinds of service, one is called sadhaks, or another is called siddha. Sadhaka rupena, how is servicing sadhaka? Sankha purvaka nama ganativi kala vasana krito nidra ahara virad vichido chattan dino chayu Radha Krishna gunasmriti madhurima anandana sanmohito Bande rupa sanatano raghujugo srijupa gopalaku sadhaka. Siddha rupena, how does he serve? Siddha rupena. Here. Phala. Huh? What did he say? Huh? Tang rupa manjari patitapure asmin. Very clearly explained. Raghunath Das Goswami. Siddha Sarup. Still acting the role of sadhak, but he is siddha. Sankha Purvaka Nama Garan, this is called sadhak. Though they are Mukta Mahapurush, but showing to us sadhaka rupena siddha rupena chatrahi. Siddha rupas, how is servicing? Tang rupa manjari patitapure asmin. Raghunath Das Goswami completely absorbed his own siddha sarup, Prati Manjari. And then he is looking his guru, which is guru? Rupa Manjari. Tang Rupa Manjari patitapure asmin. He Rupa Manjari, not Rupa Goswami. He Rupa Manjari, yet Tang Rupa Manjari patitapure asmin. I know you are very chestless. You never see the other person face except your husband. But I know, few days your husband is not in your house. Your husband went somewhere. But why the spot mark coming on your bimbadhari? Bimbadhari means bimba adharam. Your, what is it called? Lips as like very nice, beautiful and ripened reddish color. Bimba fruits. Bimba fruit, understand? One kind of fruits. The actual Bengali word that we are kundali. Making the sabji. When that the bimba fruits completely ripen, then the very nice, beautiful reddish color. So that time Raghunath Das Goswami, Rupa Manjari is saying, she is saying, Tang Rupa Manjari patitapure asmin. Bimbadhari, khatap. So why this spot mark coming on your lips? Or maybe then she is saying, oh maybe one big, what is it called? Papagai. Parrot. With the nature of the parrot to eat the pomegranate seed. Pomegranate seed also reddish color. So maybe you is a very big, what is it called? Parrot and stuck your lips and this is coming. That means that she is joking. And that means Krishna and must embrace kissing in your lips. This is coming. This is coming. This is called Siddha Sarupa. Siddha Sarupa is still in his, staying in one hand, Raghunath is staying in his Sadhaka Rupena, Sankha Prabhaka Nama Gana Nativi. Or Siddha Sarupena, and how to acting this role. Tang Rupa Manjari Patita Puri Usmin. This is. Here is one also question. So how possible Manjaris, they met with Krishna and Krishna embraced and kissing, and their lips impossible. Because Manjaris Nishta only Srimati Radhika. They never separately met with Krishna. This is their speciality, Vaishishta. Understand? Manjaris, they never, what is it called? Independently, Satantrus. They never meet with Krishna. they can serve to Krishna very carefully because they know Krishna is stupid nonsense. So for this regard, they very carefully. As like if you work in the fire very carefully, otherwise any moment fire will burn. This is one. Brahmachari should be careful from the ladies. Because ladies is called fire, or brahmachari is called as like, Are ghee. Forget. Very quick melt. If you put the ghee very close to the fire, the ghee will melt it or not? This is not my God, Shastra saying it. Don't worry. Maharaj criticized to ladies. No, this is true. Srimad Bhagavata gives evidence. But how to deal? Very carefully. Fire is there. Any moment, if you little bit what is it called? Careless. Then fire very quickly catch. Because wind is everywhere. Understand? Understand? Put ghee here, fire here. But wind when coming, then flame of fire. When you are doing fire sacrifice, I am thinking fire is going but up, man going straight. But when wind coming, then I am looking the fire is coming from then I have to
run away.
Back. Not run away, back. Other the flame of fire caught my body. This is true or wrong?
Yeah.
When you do fire sacrifice, you can attend the Div. First, when you put the fire, fire is going straight, 90 degrees. Then when wind blowing, what happened? When with this side, then got fire. This way. So for this regard, our scriptures explain this way. Understand? So now coming in this way, what did he say? Manjaris, they are very clever. Krishna is as like fire. Understand? Krishna is as like fire. Anytime he also would burn to us. Understand?
Maharaj, sometimes Shrimati Radha, she arranges. If she's arranging for this meeting, then Manjari don't believe in Shrimati Radha, maybe.
No. Here this one verse also is saying in this way. Sometimes Krishna, Srimati Radhika, she is taking test. This Manjari really one-pointed with me or not? This verse. I also wrote in my book also. In my also there, all your answer is there. Don't think Rupa Manjari, she arranged. And she told to also Krishna, oh, this Manjari has gone to pluck up the flowers in that garden. You go there. And here Srimati Radhika, she also told that Manjari, go, there, bring the flowers. Then she is picking the flowers, then Krishna tried to catch. That time she says, hey Krishna, don't touch my body. That time she is crying. And crying to Srimati Radhika, please protect me. This slok also is in there. Because Manjari, this is one pointed with Srimati Radhika. Vaikantik Radha Nishtha. So for this regard, Lord Rupa Goswami Pad explained Nishtha, 3 types of Nishtha. The Sakhi is 3 types of Nishtha. One is called Radha Nishtha, one is called Krishna Nishtha Sakhis, or another is called Ubhay Nishtha Sakhis. Krishna Nishtha Sakhis, that is called Vrinda, Vindarika, Dhanishta, they are called Krishna Nishtha Sakhis. They serve Srimati Radhika, they serve Krishna, both. But they are Nishtha with Krishna. As like chaste lady, she serves all her family's members. She serves her husband, she serves her mother-in-law, father-in-law, all her family's members. But her Nishtha with her husband. In the same way, Krishna Nishtha Sakhis, that is called Vrinda, Vindarika, Dhanishta. This Vrindadevi's role is very important. Especially in Nishanta Lila, most of the Krishna's Madhurya Lila, Vrindadevi she arranged. দেখিয়া অরুণোদয় বৃন্দা দেবী ব্যস্ত হয় কুঞ্জে নানা রব করাইল শোকসারি পদ্ম শুনি উঠে রাধা নীলমণি ভক্তিমান ঠাকুর भजन रहस्य last you also explained this Vrinda Devi this is Nishanta Leela all Leelas she is actually this but her nishtha with Krishna and so Vrinda Devi she is called Krishna nishtha but Krishna Paksha Sakhi Ubhay nishtha both their love and affection that is called Ashta Sakhi 8 Sakhis Lalita, Visakha, Sudevi, Rangadevi, Chitra, Champaklita, Indurika, they are called also Ubhay Nishtha. Ubhay Nishtha, but they are most of the tendency towards Srimati Radhika. But Ubhay Nishtha is, but saying Ubhay Nishtha. And Manjaris, they are called Radhika Nishtha. Vaikantik Radhika, Attantiki Nishtha. Attantik one, absolutely. 1.8. Where is Srimati Radhika? They will be there. As like shadow of Srimati Radhika. And sometimes I told, Krishna does not call to the Manjaris. Playing flutes, Rupa Manjari, Rati Manjari, he did not call. Understand? Leela is going very nicely. Well, why? Once Rati Manjari, Rupa Manjari, hey, Krishna, why did not call to us? Well, why call to you? Sometimes they are quarreling, understand? So they are quarreling in this way. But you don't like, you have no nishtha with me, so I thought they did not call. But Krishna is very clever, Krishna knows. Krishna knows that if I call Srimati Radhika, automatically they will come. For this regard, I think you will show one Goswami's Tika, I read, also Jatha, what do you say? Chhatradharivat. Yatha Chhatradharivat. Chhatradharivat, understand? Who knows? What is that? One who holds the umbrella over the head of king. King goes. King, he does not hold his umbrella. Who is holding? Chhatradhari. And one special person. And his duty is his what? To holding the umbrella over the head of king. So for this, his name is called Chhatradhari. King is going. That means who is going? His entourage, also Chhatradhari going. King he goes, that means he Chhatradhari automatically going. So for this regard, Srimati Krishna calls to whom? Srimati Radhika. Or this Manjari, they are as like Chhatradhari. Automatically they will come. Because they are one nishtha, they are as like the shadow of Srimati Radhika. Where is Srimati Radhika? They must be there. Because 1 second, they never separate from Srimati Radhika. Understand? They are nishtha. Where Srimati Radhika? Every step, everywhere. Which thing you cannot to catch, never. But which always with you? What is that? Shadow. 1.8. You cannot catch your shadow. But shadow always going with you. Where you will go? Shadow will. In the same way, this Manjari is nishtha of Srimati Radhika. Where is Srimati Radhika? For this regard, Bhaktivinoda Thakur very clearly explained. Radhe Radhe Boli Murali Dakive Modiyo Isari Nam Chamoki Uthive Kemone Rakhiba Prano Bhaktivinoda Chintamoni Moy Radha Kunda Toto Tahe Kunja Sata Sata Prabalo Vidrumo Mayatoru Lata Nana Mukta Phale Abonata. In this way. Radhe Radhe Boli. But here not Manjari Manjari Boli. Not. Because when Krishna played the flute and taking the Radhe Radhe, that time Manjari also listening. Because they are as like shadows. All the Srimati Radhika's bhav, everything is what? Reflected in the body of Srimati Manjaris. This is the speciality. Because the Manjari, they are actual non-defense body of Krishna. Srimati Radhika. Srimati Radhika, Aditya Kalevar. Understand? Aditya Kalevar. Kalevar, understand? Body. Without second, body. The Manjari is actually without second body of Srimati Radhika. Understand? For Ditya Kalivar. Huh? So for this regard, actually Krishna, he did not call to the Manjaris. But Manjari have to go. Because Srimati, for they look here, Radhe, Radhe. How Manjaris they know? Because the vibration of the flute clean. These were only entered in their ears, not entered in the Manjaris. So how Manjari they know? Maybe your question will come. Because I told Krishna never, he called the Manjaris. Because Krishna also little bit, Krishna also Teda. Teda means crooked. And Manjaris they also crooked, or Krishna also crooked. And crooked cannot meet together. One person to there. Understand? And X this way writing. This way. So how to join? Opposite way. You know? One X you are writing this way, X. And another letter X as like this way. So how to join? This way. Opposite way. So Krishna also crooked and Manjari also crooked. So Krishna also said, okay, I will not tell, I can't call you. But Krishna is very eager to meet with the Manjari actually. There are also many slokas you see there. But Manjari they are very clever. Because they are one nishta. But what the activities and with Srimati Radhika and Krishna, everything's reflected in the heart of the Manjaris. For this regard, here is so Tang Rupa Manjari Pathita Pure Usmin in these slokas, Je Bimbadhare Sukapanga Beno. Here Sukapanga Beno means maybe one big parrot. Here parrot means Krishna Rupi parrot. Krishna is the parrot. That means Krishna kissed or embraced the lips of Srimati Radhika, and same things reflected in the body of Rupa Manjari or Rati Manjari. So now question is, Rati Manjari also she has this spot mark. But she is not saying, yeah, I have, you have. She is saying, you have. Tum bhi kathal khaiya so. Have you eaten? Jackfruits. Bhaktivedanta Prabhupada. Have you eaten jackfruits? The same way. So this is the Leela. What is the Leela? Have you eaten jackfruits?
Oh, yeah.
That means George is thinking, I saved my head because I ate the jackfruits. You must be he also. Because why you say the same way, Rati Manjari she has the spot. A same Rati Manjari she has also the spot marks on her lips. But she is not looking. She is looking to her, Rupa Manjari. That is called joking. Two friends are sitting together without using the mirror. How they are looking each other's face? Tell to me. Two friends are sitting together, but without using the mirror, how they are looking to each other's face? Do you understand? Who give answer? Understand my question?
They look at
Face
each
to
other's
face.
face, or
Face to
how
face.
they look at each other, or their own faces also, through each other. They're looking at each other's face, or they're looking at their own face.
Each other's face. Looking to
Face to face.
how? One friend sitting eastern and one of the friends sitting west side. So how they are looking at each other's face without using the face?
The mirror.
Huh?
Look at the mirror.
I told them, no, they are not using the mirror. This is simple question. One is different in each other. One face is east, another face is the west. So you can see. You are looking, this is the east or west. This side, western side, western. So you are each other to your face, you are looking or not? This is the intelligence. Yeah? Some simple. That is called the general knowledge. Eh? Just with the making the words. Okay, one friend sitting and in the eastern side, another friend sitting in the western side, but without using their mirror, how they seeking their face. Only this simple way. That means one face is their face this way, this is. Eh? Rupa Manjari, she is looking. Rati Manjari's spot marks in her lips. Rati Manjari, she is looking. But she is not looking. Who is? Rati Manjari, she is not looking her spot marks on the lips. Rupa Manjari also not looking. But for this here they are joking. Because Radhaika Nishtha means actual, I tell to this, Radhaika Nishtha, Radha Nishtha, Sakhis, that's called Manjari Bhav. That's called Bhavollas Roti coming. Bhavollas Roti manifested, and that is called the Manjari Bhav. Manjari Bhavamai Upasana. That is Bhavollas Roti. You read this, Jewel Sulbhad very clearly explain what is the Bhavollas Roti, how the Bhavollas Roti manifested in the heart of Manjaris, why Manjari is called Bhavollas Roti. Many things is there. If I tell you, you cannot understand everything, just something. Understand? What is the time now? How are we? About 9?
Maharaj, I have two questions. You know, you're saying about this. Nana what?
Huh?
I forgot now. Nana what? No. This Nana what? I forgot the word in Sanskrit.
Nanotpalachit tunum gopi sanghabritam.
Before you saying about the Jiva from conception, and you're saying that this body that is anyway, like for instance, like Gopinath, he was here. When he came back, he's not joining anybody. He's reaching there and he's embracing Krishna like this. His body is suddenly there, or how this is happening?
Some sadhak and some siddha. Those who are siddha coming from Golok Vrindavan, that is no need. As like Rupa Manjari, Rupa Goswami Pad, Damang Manjari, Sanatana Goswami Pad. They are the Nitya Siddha Parika, eternal associate of Krishna. They are not sadhak. They are not Jiva Tattva. They are called Parikar Tattva. Those who are Parikar Tattva, actually they manifested from Krishna's Sarvasakti Sarvasrimati Radhika. They are Nitya Parikar Tattva.
Like when our Gurudev was here, he's from becoming old, like this, looking old.
For this regard, I told Gurudev, Guru Tattva, Gurudev, what is his Tattva? Sadhak Tattva or Siddha Tattva?
When Golok Vrindavan, he's from Kishore. In Golila and
Gorilla, that is a Jogmasi arranged. This is another thing. First you understand, some Guru Siddha and some Guru Sadhaka. Both are qualified. Sadhak and Siddha. But those who are Siddha coming here acting the role as like a sadhak. Like the Rupa Goswami Pad. Who is Rupa Goswami Pad? Sadhak or Siddha? Sadhak, that is called Jiva Tattva. Or Siddha, that is called Parikar Tattva. Try to understand. Parikar Tattva means those who are manifested from Krishna's what is called? What is called? Those Siddha, they actually mention that is another tattva. Those who are Nitya Parikar, they are manifested Krishna Deva, Sandhi. The Krishna's, that's potency. That's called. chit potency. Understand? They are siddha. And what are you using this terminology? Sometimes I thought they manifest as a Srimati Radhika, Sarup Shakti Prakash. Understand? They are not Jiva Shakti. And they are called Sarup Shakti Prakash. And Sarup Shakti is more, that is called Srimati Radhika, Radhini Shakti. So that means Radhini Shakti is manifest in the many forms. Ananda Chinma Rasa Pratibha Vistarviva Nija Rupataya Kalabhi. Ananda Shakti Sarpuni Srimati Radhika. And Srimati Radhika she manifests many forms. Rupa Manjari, Rati Manjari, Lalita Abhiseka, all which actual non-dependent from Srimati Radhika. That is called Sarup Shakti Prakash. Our Jiva Shakti, that is manifested from Jivas. Krishna's Tarsha Shakti was Jiva Shakti or Bhivanna Shakti, many names are using. So Sadhak, that is called Jiva Shakti Prakash. Siddha, that is called Sarup Shakti Prakash. That is direct manifestation of Srimati Radhini Shakti, Sarpani Srimati Radhika. As Rupa Manjari. Tan, here is called Ananda Chinmarasa Pratibhav Starpana Nijo Rupa Taya Kalabhi. Nijo Rupa Taya Kalabhi. Understand? Brahma Samhita in this context very clearly explains the commentary. Jiva Goswami. Those who are Nitya Parika, they are not Jiva Tattva. They are called Sarup Shakti Prakash. Actually, they are actually called direct manifestation of Srimati Radhika. Understand? Rupa Manjari, Rati Manjari, Lalita, Visakha, they are actually non-dependent Srimati Radhika.
Maharaj, these Nana Murti, who manifest? Baladev Prabhu manifesting?
Those who are Sakharas or Vatsalyaras, they are coming from Baladev Prabhu. Or Madhurjaras devotees, they manifest from Srimati Radhika.
For a long time before, I'm hearing Devananda Govindam, many years before, when Maharaj was giving class, he was explaining that in Braj, when this one Jiva becoming Vasu Siddhi and this Manjari move, then this body is traced by Baladev Prabhu.
First one is Jiva Tattva and Parikar Tattva. Parikar Tattva manifested from two ways. Coming from Baladev Prabhu and another coming from Srimati Radhika. Those who are Dasa Sakha Vatsalya, they are manifested from Baladev Prabhu. Those who are Madhurjaras, what is called conjugal mood, they manifested from Srimati Radhika, Sarup Shakti Prakash.
But I'm Jiva. If I'm becoming Sarup Siddhi, Vasu Siddhi, I'm joining this body who is manifesting? Yoga Maya, she cannot manifest.
No. If you Jiva Tattva manifests from Jiva Shakti,
Jiva Shakti.
yeah.
So this Nanamurti that is speaking there, this is Jiva Shakti?
That is for understanding our conception. Because Prakat or Prakat, the conception. Here Prakat, Dham, they are also Prakat, Aprakat. But both Dham, when Krishna, what is called? Complete his Leela, then same Dham and everything going in there, the mixed together. Understand it? Actually this way. Because this Chit Vastu cannot to explain that all our material words. जड़ शब्द के द्वारा चित वस्तु को हम समझा नहीं सकते. तो some similarity for this regard we are that is called Sakha Chandrana, giving them some idea. These things. Moon is very far. By mother told her baby, look the moon on the branches of that mango tree. Actual moon is not on the branch of the mango tree. Moon is very far, thousand kilometers. But giving example of mango tree. In the same way, all the Chit Tattva, we are speaking, giving example, reading Shastra, just give some idea. But this is not complete or not perfect.
I just one more question. When, for example, someone comes to the stage of Swarup Siddhi, Ekadas Bhav coming, 5 does coming, then when he's receiving this is already from this murti that's already there. This is coming from, like this 4
first to understand. Actual, there are no murti, nothing. Just you according to our conception speaking.
But this Swarup Siddhi, this
Because-
Ekadas Bhav coming from where?
Huh?
This Ekadas Bhav coming from where?
Ekadas bhav you have just manifest with the association of sadhana. If you not these things, it's how person will manifest.
I understand.
Manifest means is what? Try to understand manifest. What is the meaning of manifest? You have which were hidden manifest. When using what prakash? Prakash means before was here, but that was covered. Now covered and revealed. Then you can see.
Because you before you're saying that this murti that is there. I just only want to understand a little bit more, sorry. What did you say before?
Actually, this why I was saying this thing, because those who are tarkic, logistic, they according to understand according to the logic. So for this reason, Jiva Goswami saying, okay, there is also there. Actually, this is not true. Something our speaking according to understand of the logistic people. Some people they want to understand only their logic.
But that makes it more complicated to understand.
Huh?
In my mind, if I think, oh, it's easy for me to believe I just become something, but if you give me this explanation, for me, it's more difficult to understand. Why Taki could be,
Huh?
I'm thinking that by this explanation, he wants Taki people to understand easily.
No, because it's for this regard. For this regard also Tarkat of Tishtanath.
Yeah.
Vedanta Sutra also according to and logic cannot understand. But people they want to understand the logic. But transcendental things you cannot do. For this regard Vedanta Sutra again also saying Bacho non nivartante. And even your mind, you cannot attend this place. But you want to know how. That time you explain, okay, your rich body is here, their body is here, mixed together. Then you can understand. If I say this word, okay, your this body is here and their rich body is there, then mixed together. That time, yes. Actually, this is not true. Because when you speak, take the Tarkic, they want to understand with the knowledge. Actually, this is not true. And one Gurudev gave class, same class I am giving to you, saying to you, and in Mathura in the morning, after Gurudev morning walk, he came, sit in the Keshavji Gaudiya, and that time some sannyasi also they asked this question, and Gurudev also told this question. Because people they want to know according to the knowledge. What knowledge? According to their logic. But how to do? Because logic is not to establish Tarkat or Pratishtanath. But people they want to do logic. Okay, if logic to understand, you will say, okay, then you will be happy. Yes, this is true. This is also, sometimes Vedas also saying this is cheating. Madhupuspita Vakya. Understand? Madhupuspita Vakya means is what? Some sweet words, eloquent words using have to attract the people. Actually, this is not true. I say, oh, you are very nice, Chandramukhi, that Mukhi. Yes. If your face is as like stupid nonsense, they will be very angry. When you glorify you, then you will be very, very happy. Huh? Chandramukhi, Maharaj, very nice. If you say, Trivikram Maharaj, stupid nonsense.
So Jeev Goswami too much cheating.
Huh?
Jeev Goswami, he's too much giving cheating sometimes.
For this, Jiva Goswami Pad meant his commentary explained. And two conceptions we give him. And my own conception and other conception I give. And Jiva Goswami Pad is Sakyatta Parakyatta. And he goes, okay, Sakyatta, because people like the Sakya Bhava. Because people they don't want to understand the Parakyatta Bhava. Or if you tell the Parakyatta Bhava, parable mode, they just also compare with the material. Especially Western country, very, very clearly understand as like their boyfriend and girlfriend. Very clear. If when you discuss about Parakyatta Bhav, Western country, they very clearly understand, then think, oh, very nice katha. I am embracing, kissing as my boyfriend, girlfriend. But here Parakita also not with it, because here very open. Eh? Here open boyfriend, girlfriend, very open, they are embracing, kissing. Eh? Even the where are we going? Even the class, sitting together. Are you stupid nonsense? No, what is it called? Same, completely same place. Huh? Okay, you love means embracing, kissing, you have right. But not in front of the sadhu. No. Listen, Harikatha, every 2 minutes. This is my love. So when I speak about the Parakita Bhav, they are thinking this is called boyfriend girlfriend. Actually, this is also not boyfriend girlfriend. They are Parakita in a hidden way. Because their society is very strict. Krishna performed Ras dance with the gopis. Who knows? Any Brajavasi? Eh? Their parents, they know or not? They don't know. One day I direct asked to Gurudev. Gurudev told no. So why Sukdev Goswami passing? Actually this thing here, when Krishna departed, that time Sukdev Goswami passing. Before, when Krishna performed this love, that time no one realized Krishna is performing Ras dance with the gopis. Only gopis and Krishna, they know. Just see gaze.
She's dancing, but she's speaking to Queens in Boston.
Not Parker, Ras means is what? Rasati Asada. Embracing kissing. Embracing kissing, that means the always not means the sexual things. I embrace my brother. I embrace my sister. Kissing. Our sexual life also there, also embracing kissing also there. Embracing kissing, that means not the sexual things always. Eh? Father embrace her daughter. Understand? That means sexual things. Oh, this is, you cannot say this one. Eh? Mother Jashoda, she is kicking her baby, Krishna. Kiss this word, eh? Understand? Alingan Chumman. Actually, not everywhere that the madhu, what is called? Sexual things. Eh? Understand? This is the thing going on this. So try to understand this. Eh? Brother embracing her sister. Okay. Or one boyfriend embracing her boyfriend girlfriend. That is another mood. That is called sexual things coming. Look, see. Eh? Brother embracing his sister. That is not a sexual thing. By boyfriend, girlfriend. Embracing it. That is included in the sexual thing. Same embracing, kissing, but different way, different relationship, then going different meaning and different kind.
How possible Bhishma Pitama is looking at Krishna's crutches and he's thinking, oh, this is like that? He's thinking this is the Asura.
Bhishma Pitama, they are Mahajan, Trikalabhika.
If Rohini doesn't know, how can he know?
Naravat Leela.
Okay.
Mother Rohini Devi is her Vatsalabha. She didn't, but some gaze. Mother, she knows, my daughter where she is going, she knows. But not completely. Eh? You cheat your mother. Mother, I am going to cinema. Okay. Mother, okay, go. But you are not going to cinema, going to the forest, embracing, kissing. Mother, one day you cheat. But mother, she realize where she is coming from. Eh? Understand? What you say? Even I say your face, what are you doing? I can say also. I tell to you what you are doing. Stupid nonsense, rascal. Because some activities automatically what? Manifest in your face. Understand? So gaze these things. Mother just saying, Rohini Devi, she knows these things. But her Vatsalya Bhava. She did not tell all the Rashla Katha, not what is it, confidence Rashla Katha, just something. So, oh, Krishna, he loves gopis and embracing Krishna. Okay, this is enough. And Mother Jasoda, her Vatsalya bhav towards Krishna. Kundalata, she told, Mother, now Krishna is sucking your breast, but you know, and your son, Krishna, he performed Ras dance with the gopis. Mother, the Ras dance? What the Ras dance? Mother Jasoda, she, according to her Vatsalya Ras, she is thinking Ras dance means is embracing, kissing. Okay. But she is not thinking the sexual things. Oh, my baby son, embracing with the baby, others. And as well, one baby, another baby, embracing. This is enough. This is not sexual things. One small baby, another small baby, embracing or kissing now. That is called what? Ras. Ras means asadan. Rasate asadan. There are many meanings it comes. Actually, this is not the sexual thing. So in the same way, Mother Jasoda, when Kundalata she told, now you are Krishna, sucking breast, but night time he performs Ras dance. But Kundalata she Madhurja, Kundalata she knows everything. For the Kundalata is saying the Madhurja Ras Katha. But Mother Jasoda, Vatsalya Ras, oh my son, Ras, this means just simple embracing, kissing man for me. Some, what do you spot marks on the chest of Krishna, some also sindur on the forehead of Krishna. Kundalata said, look, your son did Ras dance. Mother just said, oh, means you are my baby Krishna. Maybe he was sleeping with Baladev Prabhu. Baladev and Krishna, they are embracing together with their nails. After this nails mark coming from where? The Ras gopis. দেখো তো নখত চিহ্ন understand? But Mother Jasoda Vatsalya she is thinking, oh, and this is sindur, but this is not sindur. Kundalata she is saying this is sindur of the gopis. But Mother Jasoda avoid this sindur. This is not sindur. This is the red mud of the bank of Yamuna. Maybe last night when Krishna taking bath in the Yamuna, then my maid servant not properly clean, maybe that she thinking this is the thing. Actually, this is origin is what? That the sindur or the breast kumkum of the gopis. But Mother Jasoda she did not think this.
But Vishnu Pitama, he's saying this bull sign is from fighting, and this Udipa coming as they go.
Because he is Trikalagga. Oishcharya Margya Bhakta. Trikalagga also. Understand? Madhurya Bhakta Trikalagga, also Trikalagga, but they are also everything also Yogamaya covered. This is the thing. They know everything. Because Bhishma Pitamaha is that, what is the devotee? Mahajan is not Odiyani. Prahlado, Janaka, Bhishma, they all know this. For this regard, Bhishma Pitamaha is this top stuti to Krishna. Oh, this is not the blood of Krishna. This is the kumkum of the gopi breast. Trikalagga.
Ashwajamai, this bhakta, then Yogamaya no covering.
Okay, that, but that time, sometimes they believe, sometimes they don't believe. This is the thing. So at that time they give respect to Krishna as a Bhagavan. Bhagavan, he can do everything. Jatha Vanne. Sukadeva Goswami, when Parikshit Maharaj asks, if Krishna performed Ras dance to gopis, why? This is not sinful activities. Krishna or Gopi, they will not suffer these sinful activities. That time Parikshit Maharaj, Sukadeva Goswami told this katha. What is called? I use this Sanskrit slokas. Those who is a powerful person, do anything, that is not. Those who powerful person, they are doing anything, they are not affected in sinful activities. Jatha vanne, jatha sarva bhukam. Sarva bhuk means fire. Fire can eat everything, but fire always pure, pavitra. And what, another sloka?
Shivji. That's what drink poison.
No. This verse is coming. Mane who is Balyano Opi? No dosaya. I think the sloka just.